E gurupulo e jok edeke konna katonya oibuga soroti nesi e pwakuntai o karulo ilukumini yare keda kaisare kedi diope ojasi kede imemban a kaisare kedi kanyare neda apotu imonotor apiai nu edolete i milionin a kaisauni konye o karulo apotu imemban i atakinos kitoni a kaisangon kede iwongon neda apotu imonotor apiai nu edeparte i milionin akwatata kede a kaisare.
The highest saver was able to go home this day with 11,745,000, and the second saver was able to go with 7,145,000. Then the third one was able to go with 7,095,000.
Okay.
But on average, we have average figures been 2 million, 2.3, around 2 million has been our average.
Ajene ongebe atumtunka lolo. Bonye jas pode sali kapun lunga na jok kai to sama ikwa pun kapana tamasia. Ara borbo jate ma lolo be agendo bere badumuno. Apa edo bere bachi. Edo ko kina bere bono ire. So et honoring noi akepolo be plans kondulem nam napiti jok. Mam do pede so do rare jas kapun lemle saldo so bere dal sa do padu da. Narai on kwape jokede ke savings and credit association. Young ato na showman kwa borone poll, because that's the only thing that we can give to our children as a gift.
Egirigiranlo Atukot Samuel Olato ngesi abala ebe ekoto imemban ay bajaun apia iko grupu kojasi kede apele kineta mere ay jaun kanu akulia ay jar.
Not just to borrow because you want to borrow to invest, so that you can be able to return, and when you return, you're able to get more. I want to encourage members that even as we are starting this cycle, let's be committed towards our savings.
Emedautu imemban lo Atukot kana Emono ere.
Bunga lomo group lo ukarulo polo second cycle. So ngarnanen bunga gewe joko. Konya da kilon pa showman ngon nyoko and those domestic problems, are family problems. Por ver nyakas no ko umot. Konya ba misiri nguti ngona ara e ponelo swama ikino to ngololo. Ya amore. Ne lai noi na balon bone be mam ko nga nyuni.
Ne bot kapun. Ishal mutini group lo. Era group la joko. Mama chela si ya ari tunge joko. Ari bunja kai. Koto da joininga. Lomu ya lomu.
I was just so convinced by a sister, but in fact, I don't know whether Adepar. Dumut komodi kapulu pe jok mo ma dumutura geul. Do kwana kaplani. Akoto balatinga sagwel, betinga ragwel plot to town. This time around, at least even a kilo da me temorbe. This woman is a lousy woman. I make a giri joda. That you've shown your strength.
Kanuka TV East, Habat Paul Eyoku Koibuga Soroti.